Sundowns and also Orlando Pirates. It's looking tight at the top.
Keep talking. I need the tactics and the trends. Kaizer Chiefs, 4. Orbit College, 1. That's what happened with Mduduzi Shabalala doing the business. You've got the tactics, you've got the trends. You're going to take that first goal.
When you look at the tactics and the trends, when you look at the goal that Shabalala is going to score, it's very important to see the movement of the winger and the movement of the fullback. Kaizer Chiefs are building, for instance, and when the ball goes to Ox Mtetwa, what is key is that when it rotates and it gets to this, you look at the defensive line of Orbit. They're defending with a 4-2 in terms of the defense. And when that ball is brought back in, Shabalala scores the goal.
And there it is. Munyani, brilliant as far as the cross. Matt, great ball from Munyani.
Yeah, a great piece of business from Chiefs with well. And what I like about Shabalala is he's actually playing off Vilakazi. When you see his further goals, he's playing off Vilakazi.
Here we go, as we take a look at Shabalala's impact in the match, and it was a massive impact. I can see, Pumudzo, why with Hugo Bruce in the stadium, you thought this was the kind of performance that could catch his eye, could potentially say, listen, I may not have had you in mind, but I'm going to put you in for the Zambia game. There's the goal that starts things.
I think when you look at Shabalala's influence, especially playing in that 10 role, he's got the freedom of movement. He can start out on the left, drift to the 6 and collect the ball and be able to link up the play. And one thing that he has improved in his game is his box entries. He's got a lot better in terms of his box entries, and his penalty area occupation has been good. Hence he's getting goals like this. But Munyani does an excellent cutback to be able to find him in this instance.
Growing into that right-back role.
To attack.
Keep looking at how he was terrorizing this Orbit defense. Igadoro, he comes in, then guess who's on the spot?
It's a brace for him. I think goal number 3 in all competitions for Chiefs. To go together with the 2 assists that he had on the night, I thought a fantastic performance. He goes out to celebrate, he makes the Kosi Nation happy. That's what they want to see, him entering that penalty area and getting the goals. I think when you look at the coach's influence when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs, they've got a man they can trust on the bench, that is Flavio. Whenever he comes off the bench, he's got a goal in him. And for me, his understanding with Shabalala has been so great. And he comes off the bench in this instance to score this goal, which makes it goal number 4 in all competitions for Kaizer Chiefs, and a well-taken goal. And again, it's Shabalala again in the mix with the assist.
His movement is so good. He creates so much space. He's all alone there when Serino gives him the ball, Shabalala.